Okay, the law of sines. So what is the law of sines? So the law of sines relates to the sides in a triangle, sines of the corresponding opposite angles. So in short, it states that the lengths of the side are proportional to the sines of the angle measured opposite to them. So like for example, angle A, opposite niya is A, side A. Angle B, opposite is side B. Angle C is opposite niya is C. So ngayon, anong formula po ng law of sine? So kung ito pinag-usapan, dapat proportional po siya kay B and proportional also siya kay C. So A over sine A, then B over sine B equal to C over sine C. So, pwede rin po magkabaliktad o get the reciprocal each. So, same lang po yan. Or sin A over A, sin B over B equal to sin C over C. So, yan po ang formula ng law of sine. Ito gagamitin natin na formula to find the unknown angle and sides of the given triangle, oblique triangle. Okay, let's have an example. So, two angles and one opposite side are given. So, take a look this given problem. So, given the triangle SEA. So, yun. S is 8. Angle S is 43. So, label mo natin para hindi tayo malito. So, 43. Then, angle A is 54. So, ano yung mga unknown natin dito? So, side A, and angle E. So, what's the first step? So, unahin natin muna syempre yung mga angle. So, how to find the angle E? So, to find the measure of angle E, so we all know that the total measure of a triangle is 180. Dapat yung nasa loob ng triangle is 180. Kung may 54 tayo dito, may 43 dito, ano yung measure of angle E? So, measure of angle S plus the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle E equal to 180. So, substitute lang natin yung value dito sa given. So, angle S natin is 43. Angle A natin is 54. Then, unknown si angle E. So, if we add 43 plus 54 equal to 97. So, i-transpose natin sa other side. So, since positive, so magiging negative. So, ano po natin yan? So, it becomes 180 minus 97 is equal to 83. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong 83 degree. So, complete na po yung triangle, measure ng triangle natin. 43 plus 54 plus 83 is equal to 180. So, next thing to do is find the measure of side E and side A. So, may given na tayo ng angle. So, step by step po tayo para hindi tayo malito. So, first step is by using the law of sines. Okay, so the law of sine ha. So, select the formula. So, anong formula gamitin natin? Since may given tayo na side, so ito muna. S, angle S, then over S or S over sine S. Then, kung ito ang unang hanapin natin, so angle E, tapos side E. So, yun po ang gamit natin. So, that will be our formula. Pwede rin ito, kung ito ang gagamitin, unahin, so ito naman. So, same lang po yan. So, start tayo kay A muna. So, second step o step number 2 is substitute the value. So, anong value ng A natin? So, unknown. So, wala tayong A. Then, over sine A. Anong sine A natin? 54. So, sine 54 degree. Then, S is 8. Then, S is 43 degree. So, anong next na gawin natin? O, next step is cross-multiply lang tayo dito. So, ibig sabihin yan, isolate the variable. So, by using our knowledge in cross multiplication, so 8 times sine 43 degree, then 8 sine 54 degree. So, paano ma-isolate yung variable natin? So, i-divide natin siya both side by what? So, since A ang hinahanap, so i-divide natin siya kay sine 43 degree. So, cancel po ito. So, ang matitira na lang po ay A equal to 8 sine 54 over sine 43. So, pwede nyo i-direct sa calculator, then may value agad. Kung wala, kung step by step, so kunin mo yung value ng sine 54 at saka sine 43. So, sine 54 is 0.8090 and sine 43 is 6820. So multiply then divide, so it becomes A approximately to 9.49 since as sabi kanina is round off to the nearest hundred, so 2 decimal. So 9.49 tayo. O, isa na lang. So E. So how to find E? Still the same pa rin po. So same pa rin po. So plot muna natin yung mga nahanap na natin. So by using again the law of sine, kung iyan ang may nahanap, so ito pala gamitin natin yung S, E, at saka ito. So yung formula natin. So substitute the formula. So E is unknown. So sine E is 83 degree. Then S is 8. Sine S is 43 degree. Then same pa rin kanina. So i-cross multiply natin. So cross multiply o isolate the variable. So E times sine over 43, then 8 sine 83 degree. So divide both side by sine 43 to eliminate. So para maging E na lang siya. So divide both side by sine 43. So cancel po ito. Ang natira ay E sine 8 sine 83 degree over sine 43 degree. Same pa rin kanina. So pwede kunin yung value ng sine 83 at saka sine 43 degree. So, kapag kunin yung value ng sine 83, it becomes 0.9925, then sine 43 is 6820. So, multiply, then divide kay 0.6820. So, approximately to 11.64. So, ngayon, mayroon tayong 11.64. Okay? So, let's have another example. So, how about two sides and one opposite angle are given? So, yan po ang mag-given natin, given diagram or figure. So, the measure of angle R is 100, the measure of BN is 10, and R is 6. So, ano yung nawal? Ang tanong dito is find the measure of angle B. So, ito lang po ang hinahanap. So, angle B. So again, so first solution po natin, since the problem you are given the measurement of two sides, so and one opposite angle, then so to solve for the angle B, we use the formula. So first step is select the formula, yung formula ng law of sine. So which is, since given si BN, so BN, saan yung opposite niya? Nakarap po siya kay R, so angle R o sine R. So NR, opposite po niya is angle B. So sine B. So substitute, second step is substitute the value. Since BN natin is 10 and sine R natin is 100. NR is 6, then sine B is ano. So yun. So same pa rin kanina, so cross multiply. So ang hinahanap naman po ay sine B. So by cross multiplication, isolate the variable. So 10 sine B equal to 6 sine 100 degree. So divide both side by what? So since ang i-isolate natin o eliminate natin is yung 10, para maiwan na lang is sine B. So divide both side by 10. So cancel po yung 10. Ang matitira na lang po ay sine B. Sine B equal to 6 sine 100 degree over 10. So pwede rin i-direct sa calculator. So kapag i-direct natin yan, so kukuha natin yung sagot natin. To solve for the measure of angle B, since we are solving for an angle, then we use arc sine. So, arc sine lang natin. So, B is equal to 36.22 degrees. So, our angle B is equal to 36.22. So, i-direct nyo lang ito sa calculator, scientific calculator. Then, we have 36.22.